So I got this really good question about the YouTube editor, specifically about comments. Went like this. If I use the YouTube editor, will I lose the video comments after the edit? That, my friend, is a really good question. And the answer is yes and no. Let me explain. So if you do a live stream and during the live stream you get any comments, you'll see them on the right side, and even on the replay, they will be there as long as you have enabled, showing the live chat when it's over. But let's say you want to go back and edit the live stream. So, for example, let's say you did a countdown. I wouldn't, but if you did, that's up to you. And you want to go back and edit the countdown out. Any edit you make on a live stream, you will automatically lose the live comments. Doesn't matter whether you get one or 100 or 1,000, doesn't matter. Those will go away. Now, that's the yes part. The no part is any comments you get on a video, and this even applies to a replay of the live stream. Any comments you get on a video that are down in the comments section, those don't go away. You don't lose those. So you can actually go in and edit your video, whatever you want to do with it in the YouTube editor, and you will not lose your comments. Now, that ought to help you if you want to go in and edit without the fear of, I'm going to lose these comments. So hopefully that helps you. Check out the videos on the screen, even more things you can do with YouTube. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching.